Does this mean the deal will be crossing the line imminently? How significant is this for Microsoft?
It's certainly looking that way, Tom. You know, Microsoft has agreed to give French video game publisher Ubisoft cloud streaming rights for Activision's very popular games. And that was one of the big issues that CMA was blocking this deal on, because their argument was that they wanted a market for consumers that was not tied up to any one company. And now we still have that October 18th deadline, but it's looking a lot better for Microsoft, especially if you look at the fact that the FTC's court challenge over the deal was rejected. The European Union has cleared it. Though I do wonder what this means for European Union clearance, given that it has somewhat changed the outlines of the deal. But from the CMA's front, it's looking pretty good.
OK, so it looks better in terms of the CMA approving this then, Ruth. What are the takeaways for consumers? Because as you point out, the CMA's objections were all around providing more options for consumers. So to what extent does the renewed offer from Microsoft do that?
It definitely makes it a much better market for consumers, even though this market, you know, one of the things that the CMA has taken flack for is opposing a takeover based on concerns around a market which is still pretty immature. But if they manage to get this going ahead, you know, the CMA could argue that actually, even in a nascent market, we put consumers first, and we took a stance that was different from the other big regulators. And look, we actually managed to get some changes and to get a deal that is better for consumers.